Imagine you are standing on the edge of a mountain, or perhaps you are miles out at sea, or even just navigating the concrete jungle of Manhattan. You look down at your wrist. For years, that device has been a notification center, a fitness tracker, maybe a way to pay for your coffee. But in 2026, the device on your wrist is no longer just an accessory. It has become a survival tool, a medical lab, and a cognitive extension of your own brain. This is the Apple Watch Ultra 4. And if you thought the transition from the Series 8 to the original Ultra was a leap, you aren't prepared for what Apple has done this time. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We are talking about a total departure from the smartwatch category and an entry into something far more sophisticated. Something Apple insiders are calling the Human Interface Project. The Apple Watch Ultra 4 isn't just a watch. It's a statement. For the last few years, the tech world has been whispering and rumors about Apple's secret health projects. We've heard about non-invasive glucose monitoring. We've heard about blood pressure tracking. We've heard about micro-LED displays that look like they are painted onto the glass. In 2026, those whispers have finally turned into reality. But why now? Why is the Ultra 4 the chosen vessel for these breakthroughs? It's because the Ultra is no longer the rugged version of the standard watch. It is now the Pro version of the Apple ecosystem. It is the testing ground for the most advanced sensors humanity has ever shrunk down to the size of a postage stamp. Let's talk about the display, because that is the first thing that will hit you. For the first time, Apple has moved away from OLED for its flagship wearable. The Ultra 4 features a 2.1-inch micro-LED panel. Now, you might be wondering why that matters. OLED is great, right? But micro-LED is the holy grail. It's brighter. We're talking 4,000 nits of peak brightness, making it visible even under the harsh, direct sun of the Mojave Desert. But more importantly, it is incredibly power efficient. This display technology is the reason why the Ultra 4 is finally breaking the multi-day battery barrier. We are looking at a watch that can realistically last 4 to 5 days on a single charge, even with the always-on display active. This changes the game for backpackers, marathon runners, and anyone who is tired of the daily charge ritual. But the real magic isn't just how the screen looks, it's what's happening underneath the casing. The Ultra 4 is powered by the S11 SiP, a chip built on a 2-nanometer process that is more powerful than the processor in an iPhone 13. Why does a watch need that much power? The answer is simple: on-device Apple Intelligence. In 2026, Siri is no longer a voice assistant, it is a life coach. The Ultra 4 uses its array of sensors to monitor your cortisol levels, your heart rate variability, and your sleep patterns to predict when you are about to get sick or when you are reaching a point of burnout. It doesn't just tell you that you're stressed. It detects the physiological shift before you even feel it and suggests a breathing exercise or a change in your schedule. It's proactive health, not reactive health. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. The health sensor everyone has been waiting for: blood glucose monitoring. While the medical community said it was a decade away, Apple's silicon photonics team has achieved the impossible. The Ultra 4 features a specialized short-wave infrared absorption spectroscope. This isn't meant to replace a medical-grade finger prick for type 1 diabetics just yet.